Union Pacific is the premier intermodal solution, connecting our nation's cities, businesses, and supply chains. To continue to provide reliable service to customers, it is important to understand how our intermodal ramps operate in order to maintain safety, security, and efficiency. Take a tour of our intermodal ramp operations. It'll help you understand how they work, the procedures to follow, and, more importantly, how to stay safe on Union Pacific property. Before arriving at an intermodal facility, each driver needs to be registered in the UIIA's Intermodal Driver Database by their company. This database contains important driver information needed to enter the ramp. To make the most efficient use of a driver's time at the ramp, make sure billing information is in place before a driver arrives. Keep in mind, if there is no waybill received by Union Pacific, we cannot accept the container in interchange. Safety is Union Pacific's top priority. At our intermodal ramps, safety starts with ensuring drivers follow speed limits and all ramp safety rules while on Union Pacific property. Drivers arriving at an intermodal ramp typically enter through a lane designated for either trucks with full loads or those with empty loads. At some facilities, a bobtail lane is available for trucks arriving without a container or trailer. For specific information on each of the different terminals, please visit our website. Drivers enter the facility through a manual or automated gate. At the automated facilities, commonly called AGS facilities, drivers gain entrance using a biometric scanner, which recognizes drivers by scanning either a thumb or 2 fingers. AGS uses optical character recognition technology and high-definition imagery to improve safety, security, and efficiency during the in-gate process. As trucks pass through the video portal, cameras snap images of equipment and their identification numbers automatically. The first time a driver enters an AGS facility, he or she will need to check in at the main office to register. If the facility does not have an automated gate, a Union Pacific representative will check drivers in on a handheld electronic device. For other issues related to check-in or billing when entering the facility, drivers will be provided assistance through a help center kiosk near the check-in gate. After the driver is checked into the ramp, they will be issued a J1, which is a receipt documenting the interchange of equipment between the motor carrier and Union Pacific. For units coming in the gate, the J1 also includes the assigned parking location for the driver's trailer or container. If the driver is visiting a live load facility, he or she will be directed to park his trailer or container for trackside loading. After drivers drop equipment in the designated spot, Hostler trucks position the equipment next to the track to be lifted onto the outgoing train. Our lifts accommodate both containers and trailers. For trailers, the crane's arms lower on the left and right sides of the trailer body. Then compress on the AAR specified reinforced top and bottom rail, also called the lift pad. Equipment is then lifted from the ground and lowered onto a flat car. For containers, the crane has 4 pins that insert into the top of the container for lifting. Equipment is then picked up off the chassis and lowered into well cars to be moved by rail. As shipments travel to their destinations, customers take comfort knowing they can track their movement anytime. Customers simply log on to MyUPRR, a simple, secure website, or call our National Customer Service Center to see up-to-date tracking information. After a shipment arrives at its destination, it is lifted off the train at the terminal. Chassis are pre-positioned next to trains to move equipment out quickly. Yard hostlers then pick up each piece of equipment and move it to the designated spots in the yard. After the container is grounded, an electronic notification will be sent to the customer or their designate, alerting them that the equipment is available for pickup. Although the train carrying your container may have arrived, Remember, the container will not be ready to be picked up until the electronic notification has been sent. After drivers receive a pickup number or reservation number with a specific location to pick up available equipment, it's time to get them back on the road, a process called outgating. Much like the in-gate, the checkout process could be manual or automated, and drivers are issued a J1 interchange receipt upon leaving the terminal. But before drivers can leave, they are required to perform a pre-trip inspection on the equipment they are picking up. While Union Pacific strives to provide drivers with equipment that is free from defects, should a driver find any issue, they can get it resolved at our Roadability lanes. Roadability provides quick fixes for maintenance or repair items to get drivers back on the road. After all, safety is our top priority, and keeping drivers moving safely and efficiently helps ensure our customers can stay on track. Thanks for touring our intermodal facility and ensuring our operations continue to run safely and efficiently. For more information, visit our website at www.up.com/intermodal.